Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, February 17, 2021. It is 4:10:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, dark matter. So let's hop to it here. The smallest galaxies in our universe bring more about dark matter to light. Date February 16, 2021. Source, Tohoku University. Summary. Our universe is dominated by a mysterious matter, known as dark matter. Its name comes from the fact that dark matter does not absorb, reflect, or emit electromagnetic radiation, making it difficult to detect. Now, a team of researchers has investigated the strength of dark matter scattered across the smallest galaxies in the universe, using stellar kinematics. Researchers discovered that the strength of dark matter is quite small, suggesting that dark matter does not easily scatter together. Much is unknown about dark matter, but theoretical and experimental research, from particle physics to astronomy, are elucidating more about it little by little. One prominent theory surrounding dark matter is the self-interacting dark matter, SIDM theory. It purports that dark matter distributions in galactic centers become less dense because of the self-scattering of dark matter. However, supernova explosions, which occur toward the end of a massive star's life, can also form less dense distributions. This makes it challenging to distinguish whether it is the supernova explosion or the nature of dark matter that causes a less dense distribution of dark matter. To clarify this, researchers focus on ultra-faint dwarf galaxies. Here a few stars exist, rendering the influences of supernova explosions negligible. Researchers' findings showed that dark matter is dense at the center of the galaxy, challenging the basic premise of SIDM. Images from the dwarf galaxy Segue 1 revealed high dark matter density at the center of the galaxy, and that scattering is limited. Researchers' studies showed how useful stellar kinematics in ultra-faint dwarf galaxies are for testing existing theories on dark matter. Further observations using next-generation wide-field spectroscopic surveys with the Subaru Prime Focus spectrograph will maximize the chance of obtaining dark matter smoking gun. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on galactic space, computer science, and astronomy. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.